If you write music for video or film, then you need to know about Vienna Video Pro, a new plugin from Vienna Symphonic Library that lets you write directly to picture inside MuseScore Studio. To get started, download Vienna Video Pro from MuseHub, then open or restart MuseScore Studio and make sure you're using the latest version. Load up a score, open the mixer, then add Vienna Video Pro as an effect plugin to your master track. Then simply drag in your video file and add it to the timeline. Now you're ready to start scoring to film inside MuseScore Studio. You'll soon see that Vienna Video Pro is far more than a simple video player. Import multiple video clips, trim them, rearrange them, and add audio tracks for voiceover, sound effects, or additional music. Vienna Video Pro gives you a simple yet powerful video sequencer right inside of MuseScore Studio. Combined with MuseSounds Pro and a growing collection of premium orchestral, cinematic, and specialty libraries available on MuseHub, MuseScore Studio becomes a complete creative platform for film, television, game, and multimedia composers. Vienna Video Pro is available as an affordable subscription or a convenient one-time purchase. Head to MuseHub to download it today.